Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak on the newest version of iOS, no computer needed. So as you can see guys, I am currently updated to the iOS 17.4.1. So I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak on this new version of iOS, no computer needed guys. So let's get right into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up settings. And once you're there guys, just go to general and then go to background app refresh and make sure you got this on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It really does not matter guys, but make sure it's on one of those, because if it's set to off, this is not going to work. So once you've done that guys, we're just going to go to battery and make sure we got the low power mode turned off. You know it's on because the battery percentage is going to be yellow, so just make sure you got the low power mode turned off. Once you've done that guys, you're going to be all set. So all we got to do now is go to App Store and turn on the automatic downloads. This should be on by default, but if for some reason you have it turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that, you're good to go. So all we got to do now is go to the browser, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where to go. So you want to go ahead and go to this site right here. So let me just show you guys the site. So the website we're going to go to, let me just type it in. It's called jailbreaktoday.com. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, it's going to say verify compatibility to ensure that your device is updated to a version of iOS that can be jailbroken. So we're just going to go ahead and press verify compatibility. So let me just do that right here. And now it's going to load and it's going to ask me for my phone and version. So I'm using the iPhone 11. So let me just go ahead and select that right here. Alright, and then I'm on the iOS 17.4.1, so I can leave that alone. Press verify compatibility, and now we're just going to wait for it to make sure that we are not lying. So let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see, because obviously if you're on the iPhone 4, you can't jailbreak. So anyways, guys, it is done. So let's see what happens. Alright, so we need to press jailbreak now to confirm the jailbreak, so let's do that. And now we're just going to wait for it to load, so let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see. Alright. So just letting it do its thing. Alright, looks like it's done. Where's Cydia? I guess this didn't work. I wish it worked, guys. It might pop up any second now if this video is real. Nothing happened. What? Where is Cydia, guys? Where is it, guys? I thought this worked. Nothing happens. Oh my gosh, guys, Cydia is downloading, so be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super insane. This actually works, guys, and I was able to jailbreak without a computer on this new version of iOS. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. As you can see, I got the fully working Cydia right here. I can go ahead and search for Lotus, which is my favorite theme, just to show you guys this actually works. But this is super insane, guys, and it is totally updated. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here so you guys can see. Alright, and yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's fully working, guys, and this is super insane. So yeah, as you can see right here, I got it. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. This is super cool. I'm just going to download this to show you guys. As you can see, it does work. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. Look at that. So be sure to get the word out. This is pretty crazy and it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.